tutorial on how to program your Arduino Uno to a gamepad using a software called UnoJoy. The UnoJoy basically contains a lot of libraries and special firmware which when flashed onto an Arduino board will make it work as a gamepad. Before I go deep into the build and everything, let me get this clear. If I'm using an Arduino clone just like the one I have over here, then this method will not work for you because such devices does not support reprogramming. Let's go ahead and download the UnoJoy software. You can find the link in the description below. Then go to the downloads and you can find the source for the Windows platform. Download it, and once it's downloaded, extract it and you'll get a folder like this. So the next thing to be done is upgrade the driver for the Uno. In order to upgrade the driver, you have to put it in DFU mode. This can be done by shorting the pins reset and ground for around 1 second. Once the device is booted in DFU mode, you will be able to flash a custom firmware or updated driver. So once the device is in DFU mode, go to Device Manager. In my case, it will be showing as an admin system device, but yours it will be like an unknown device. The procedure is the same. Right click on that unknown device, go to Update Driver, then browse my computer. Then again you have to browse to the UnoJoy folder which you just extracted. And inside that there is a subfolder called drivers. Click on that, press OK, then next. Then the driver will be installed. I can't show it to you because mine is already installed. Now boot up your Arduino IDE, then go to open, then open the UnoJoy, then the samples, and you can see this file. Open this one. So this file will be responsible for converting your Arduino to a controller. Now if you look in the code, you can easily understand that most of the determinants of the Arduino is mapped to different controller buttons. And also in my case, I only need the left and left stick which is in the y direction, so I can modify the code like this. So this will be my code. So this is the schematic for my build. Here you can see that I use a 10K potentiometer as a steering wheel, and this will be the left analog which is in the y direction as I mentioned in the code just before. And I have used digital pins for the accelerator, brake, and also for the gear shifters. And this is the pins that should be shorted to get it into DFU mode. So once you have made the necessary changes, unplug the Arduino and replug it, and then compile it and then upload the sketch to the device. So these are the two files which you will be using. The first one will be to convert your Arduino to a joystick, and the second one will be to revert it back to an Arduino. The one thing you have to keep in your mind is that the board should be in DFU mode when you run these commands, else you will be greeted with an error. Now you can run the script turn into a joystick, and you can see that the flashing is in progress, and now it's successfully flashed. Now you can just replug it and you can see the Arduino is recognized as a gamepad. That's it. Run the script to convert your Arduino back, and you can again reprogram it as you wish.